So today I have uploaded one of the book called Fundamentals of GIS. Okay, this book is written by Ian Hebel, and this book is uploaded. You can find this book inside the course material. Okay, so over here. Yes, I have uploaded this book, Principles of Geographic Information System in GIS Technology. Okay, so all of you download this book from this particular location. So in the last time we have started the discussion about the GIS, what GIS is, and how we can define the GIS. Over there, we have learned some of the basic things related to GIS, like different sort of geographic problems that we used to face on a day-to-day basis. I have seen its organization based on three different aspects. First is on the basis of scale. Second one is on the basis of intent or purpose. And third one is basis of time scale. So this is how the geographic problems can be classified in GIS. Now in today's turn, we are going to start the generic questions that can be answered with the help of GIS. Okay. First one is related to the location. This is a general question where anything is located. So this is a location-based question, and GIS can be used to answer this type of location-based questions which are related to where. Okay. It means where is nearest bookshop, where is Sun Temple in India, where are the areas of forestry in which Indian sandalwood can be found. So all the question that needs location. Okay, all the question with where. Such type of question can be answered with the help of GIS. Second thing is related to the pattern. Okay. Pattern related question means where do high concentration of student lives in the city. So in this particular question, what you are checking, that you need to check distribution of students in the city. After that, after plotting the distribution of all the students inside the city, the clustering, the accumulation of students will be identified. And then on the basis of that, we can answer where do high concentration of students live. Similarly, for the traffic also, here, the traffic will be checked and all the location where the traffic distribution, where the traffic flow is high, then we will identify a pattern. So such type of pattern analysis is common in GIS, and this is one of the generic questions that can be answered with the help of GIS. Next one is related to trend. So trend means how the pattern of retailing changing in response to the development of out-of-town superstore. Where have glaciers retreated in European Alps? Where changes to population of polar bear occurred? In all three questions, you will find that there is a trend analysis. That is, a certain time period is considered. Over a period of time, the changes are monitored. Like, suppose I want to analyze about the urban sprawl, whether there is a sprawl, whether there is an urban expansion or not, in which particular direction the city is getting expanded. What we can do, we can take a data over a time. Suppose I will take data of 2 decades, and then on the basis of that, we can identify the direction. What is the urban? in which direction it is increasing. So such type of trend related question, and trend usually involve some time period. So over a period of time, what is the change in the pattern? This is the trend related question. Next, condition. You can say it is an extension of the location based question. When we add certain condition along with the location, along with the where question, if we add condition with it, okay. So here you can see some example. Where can I find holiday accommodation? So this one is simple, where related question. Where can I find holiday accommodation? So this is location based question. Now there is additional thing that is within 1 kilometer of windsurfing beach and accessible by public transport. Now here the simple location based query is coming with some conditions. Similarly, the next, where is there flat land within 500 meter of major highway? Similarly, the next one, where are there over 1 lakh potential customer within 5 mile radius of a railway station? So whenever we put certain conditions, so based on that form, the where location based. The last, implication. Implication means that if you take a certain action, then ask the effect of that action, what is happening. So this is called implication. So when you read the implication related questions, implicated related problem, there will be some action, and based on the effect of that action, the answer will be given to you. Like if I move to a new home, this is my action. If I move to a new home in this location, how far will I be from the office, gym, or coffee shop? Next, if we built a new theme park, again there is an action. If we built a new theme park here, what will be the effect of traffic flow? What would be the time saving if we delivered our parcels using this route rather than an alternative route? So in all these questions, what is happening? A certain action is taken, whether I am moving to a new home, whether I am building a new theme park, whether I am taking a particular route parcel. The effect of all things is checked on the unknown. In this way, there are 5 generic questions that can be answered with the help of GIS: location-based question, pattern-based questions, trend-based question, condition-based question, and implication-based question. So location and condition are more or less. Next question you will find the where. The pattern, it is interesting, and I will just going to cover the evolution of GIS. Over there also you will find the very first GIS is based on the pattern analysis. This one is trend. This next question is pattern based question, in which we see there is certain cluster or not. And the next one is there is some trend based question. Wait a minute. Okay, is there any problem? Is this screen is visible to you or not?
Ma'am, slides are not visible to us.
Slides are not there. This slide GIS answer
No,
to the
ma'am, no.
question related.
Ma'am, that folder where you have uploaded the books, that is being displayed.
Okay, wait a minute. Is it okay now?
Ma'am, nothing is being shown. Now came up.
I hope everything is visible. This slide is visible to everyone.
No, ma'am.
And
Not
my
visible.
audio is what?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it's a
No,
blank.
ma'am.
Nothing there.
It's like
Right. Is it visible now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
Okay. I will do one thing. I will leave the meeting and join again.